In this GMFV video, we're going to be making pizzelles. Let's get cooking. Not too long ago, I was gifted a pizzelle iron. Now I'd been slacking on it, but I saw a coworker bring in some of these pizzelles, so I decided it's time to start making some of my own. Let's take a look at the recipe I was given to make this. The full recipe requires 3 eggs, 3/4 cup of sugar, half a cup of butter or margarine, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, half a teaspoon of anise extract, 1 3/4 cup of flour, and 2 teaspoons of baking powder. I want to talk about one of the particular ingredients here, which is the anise extract. It's got a very strong licorice-like flavor to it, and you'll know it when you taste it. You only need a few drops of the anise extract for the flavor in the pizzelles to be there. It is strong. So for my work in the kitchen, I'm going to be scaling this recipe down by 2/3. Start off by beating the eggs, melted butter, and sugar vigorously in a bowl. Next, add in the anise and vanilla. And then you'll add in the baking powder and flour. Right there. The dough comes out pretty tough, and it's kind of got a custard-like texture. So once the batter is ready, you'll need to preheat the pizzelle iron over the stove. Now this is best over a gas burner. You'll want to put a little bit of cooking spray on each side. It'll ensure the pizzelles do not stick to the iron. So here's some tips. A little dough goes a long way, and the iron is good at flattening these into shape. Make sure the iron is hot before you add in the dough, otherwise the cookies will get stuck. After adding the dough, allow gravity to close the iron. Don't try to force it yourself, otherwise there will be burning dough all over your stovetop. Due to how little dough goes in each pizzelle, I spent a lot of time in the kitchen using it all. You can probably make about 3 dozen pizzelles if you do the full-size batch. Now some alternatives to the recipe. If you switch white sugar to brown sugar, and instead of anise use cinnamon, you'll get stroopwafel cookies. You'll just have to make the caramel filling to put in between 2 cookies. Now you know how to make pizzelles using a hand iron. I hope you enjoyed learning this technique, as most pizzelle making these days is done using an electric iron. If you want to see more cooking videos, be sure to subscribe and like this video so I know my audience wants more. If you want to make some other dessert treats in the kitchen, check out this recipe for chocolate chip muffins right here.